State governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours,
Kajinglang habreng ke Sorka Meghalaya ke Sorka Assam kalong mentak sing ke artylli unailar ajab andriu ha Koinadhara State Guest House man perkat ya kajingja selong ha khat kena terik unailar ajab andriu ya kene kajinglang layam da usumbut menteri ba kajala umba singo halang dahar pat menteri kajala Assam atul bora ha kabala wan bannya simbenta daki he ofsar pat baro ki artylli ki Sorka jala.
a very good evening to all the media friends, both from Assam side and also from Meghalaya side. So, a joint meeting between the governments of Meghalaya and government of Assam was held today at the second August at Koinadhara State Guest House to deliberate upon developments following the incidents in Shillong on 19 August 2026. The meeting was led by the Honorable Deputy Minister from Meghalaya Assam and the Honorable Minister's Government of Assam Sri Atul Bora, and was attended by the senior officer of both the state governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the key issue leaders. The government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 marks person have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 2 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that each control room has received 379 distress calls so far, and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of standard vehicles. Most of the standard travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier held on in Meghalaya, have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including the Lake sections, and completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. Dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating stranded individuals. WhatsApp number is 9+91 8101488 and landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. permanent district level joint committees. And permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising Deputy Commissioners Nongpok and Deputy Commissioner Kamru Metropolitans, along with the police officer on a corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. It is, very well has been done by the ministry, so I'm very thankful to our police team, and we have acted very promptly, and even the involved leader has been arrested. And also today, after the third bed discussion, so we have formed a special investigative team, so to identify all the mistakes who are involved in this incident.
Well, I have
Our police has arrested, police leader. Who told you that action? Our government is very prompt action. The same hour, not even after this, immediately, I think within 2 hours, we have arrested them.
why was
Only and we'll be able to know after when the SIT's reports are.
so now the most
Thing to bring normalcy, you know very well, and it's my request especially, both Assam and Meghalaya, we are like a brother and sister. Especially the two cities, the two states, we are living like a brother and sister. Yes, maybe there is some lapses, there is some here and there, but whatever may be, our duty as a government, we work very hard and we work very unitedly under the advice of both the chief minister, and that is the purpose of this meeting, to bring normalcy. So we request you also, and I request the people of Meghalaya and people of Assam, let us be cool and calm, so that normalcy will return back in few hours. Has assigned this thing to our chief secretary, he will examine the matter, we will compensate it as per law. And for the people who are those injured, we will contribute to government. Then after I have read even the joint statement, after the decision meeting on the outcome today, hopefully I think in a very short time, so under the advice of the chief minister and all our officials from both the government, I think normalcy should return back very soon. I'm very confident in you all and both people of the state, so I think there will be no more controversy. Let us hope for a positive. I request. Yeah. So if necessary, anytime you may meet me and sir, and maybe both the chief minister, we are coordinating every hour in order to maintain the normalcy in both the states.
and this has
Incident one to the other incident, and this incident is different. We think very seriously about this incident. That's why we came from Slough. So today we had a very good meeting, very positive meeting. So hopefully it should happen anymore.
I have a last question. The demand of the KSU, Khasi Student Union.
Doesn't mean the matter accordingly.
thank you so much.